Okay, here's the weekly check on the urban worm bag and the blue worms. Let's see what we got in here. Some worms up at the top, underneath the bubble wrap. See if I can dig up any for us to look at. They don't like the light, so oh, moisture's good. Just dry around the edges, but right below it, it's very moist. All right, guys, where are ya? I see some. Ouch. Let's see, did I grab any in this handful? One. One guy. Whoop. Looks like I don't need to feed them. Let me dig around here a little bit more. Still have apple. Yep, still have a little bit of apple. Let's see. The corn husk is still hard. So we need to break that down a little bit more. And there's not very many worms in here, like I stated before. So it's going to take them a little while to break down some things and see there's still, but there's still apple. Well, we bring the apple here. They are starting to get into it. So worm right in there. So I'll just leave them. So they're getting into the apple. They're just taking their sweet time, which is fine. So I think I'll just leave it another week. They're still doing well. I think I will just wet it somewhat. And that'll be good to go for these guys this week. I'm wetting it because even though it doesn't feel dry, it feels like it could be, dry out by the end of the week. So that's why I put that on there. They're good to go. There's a guy right here. Little wormy. All right. Thank you for coming on this journey with me.